Our present, our present. I dance, you dance. He dances, she dances. It dances, we dance. I am dancing, you are dancing. He is dancing, she is dancing. It is dancing, we are dancing. They are dancing. Learning grammar, singing grammar. I have danced, you have danced. He has danced, she has danced. It has danced. They have danced, I have been dancing. You have been dancing. You has been dancing. She has been dancing. Learning grammar, singing grammar. Our past, I danced, you danced, I was dancing. You were dancing, I had danced, you had danced. I had been dancing, you had been dancing. Our future, our